Hello and welcome to Metropolitans, coming to you from Minsk, the capital of Belarus. We're here to sample the sights and sounds of this vibrant city as it gears up to host the European Games in June. A sporting spectacle that's set to bring 4,000 athletes to the city and put Minsk in the spotlight. The landmark Dynamo Stadium, which originally opened in the 1930s, will take centre stage at the Games. It's had a massive refit ahead of hosting the athletics events and the opening and closing ceremonies.
This is not on the heart of the stadium, the heart of the Games. Our brand new stadium after the reconstruction at the historical place for every citizen of city. And now it's completely different, especially inside. From outside you can see the historical view because it's our historical architectural heritage, but inside you can see a lot of facility which suits to the Games. Starting from the sport equipment and finishing the press center and the lighting system.
The Dynamo Stadium is no stranger to big sporting spectacles. It was a football venue in the 1980 Summer Olympics, hosted by Moscow.
We have a great demand till now for the tickets for the opening and closing ceremony and for competition as well. We're expecting to have the 4,000 best athletes around Europe here. Of course, more than 8,000 volunteers will help us to organize this event, and a lot of tourists.
Further into the city, former biathlete Daria Domrecheva, who scooped 6 Olympic medals, likes to enjoy her native Minsk on 2 wheels. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you here.
Well, you have cold hands.
Fresh.
So you like to get out and see the city by bike?
Of course, it's a pleasure for me, and sometimes by bike you can catch place you need faster than by car.
And actually there's a lot of cycle paths here. Do they go on for a long way all the way through the city?
Yes, it's easy to pass whole city by bike through this beautiful road.
The cycle path takes you past Minsk's old town. It was reconstructed after being badly damaged during World War II. It's a place Daria, a European Games ambassador, loves to come to, particularly during the summer.
All this area getting very alive in the summer, full of young people, good musical festivals, and I think almost every weekend is live music. It's beautiful jazz music, classical music, and so it's a very special atmosphere and very nice to spend here warm summer evenings.
To appreciate the scale of this city, you need to get above it all. We're heading for a restaurant high up in this building to enjoy some panoramic views of Minsk. For Daria, it's a place to pause and reflect.
It's a very beautiful view, and right from this point you can see almost whole city. We are exactly in the city center, and what I like most that Minsk city have a lot of beautiful parks. Me as mom of a young girl, for me it's a great advantage to have fresh air in the city center.
Minsk boasts a thriving art scene, the striking Bolshoi Theatre of Belarus at its heart. Maria Vasilyevich, currently Miss Belarus and Miss World Europe, likes the ballet here. Inside, an impressive auditorium awaits.
Hey, hello.
Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So what a great theatre. This is one of your favourite places to come and chill out, is it?
Yes, it's my favorite place and I like to spend my free time here. It's like a place of my inspiration, you know. In Minsk you can find a lot of different theaters, cinemas, museums. We have a lot of different arts area. It's very popular, especially among young people, to visit the different interesting performance and to create them. And I think that you can find something interesting for you.
As well as theatre and music, those heading to Minsk for the European Games will also find plenty of bars and restaurants to choose from. Maria, also a Games ambassador, has brought me to a place which serves traditional Belarus food with a modern vibe. Maria's chosen pikefish covered in breadcrumbs. I'm eating potato stuffed with pork.
I think that if you visit our capital, Minsk, you will find different kinds of food. You can find some fish, some Chinese food, and traditional European food, and of course our traditional Belarusian food. Now we have a lot of restaurants. Let's try everything.
Okay. The European Games is a chance for Minsk to shine. The event runs from the 21st to the 30th of June.